Now in this section I'm going to look at a one input data table. In this example we'll examine the effects of different interest rates on the amount of money you have to pay back when taking out a loan. So in this case we're going to use the PMT function to calculate the monthly loan payments. So if I click on cell C5 you can see this has already got the PMT function in it. Now you can go and check out the PMT function, it's not really important for the purpose of what we're doing. But basically the first item here is the rate, so this is the loan interest rate, and the second item is the total number of loan payments. The next item in the PMT function is what's called PV. So PV is short for present value, and this is a total amount that a series of future payments is worth now. So in order to use a data table, first off I select this area here. So I've selected this range from B5 through to C13 in this case. Right, the next thing I do is I click on the data tab here, and then over here in the forecast section, if I click on this down arrow, I can click on what says data table, and we'll see the data table dialog. So we don't need to bother with this first one, but in the second item here that says column input cell, what I need to do here is click on cell B5. So as you can see, the cell B5 has now been inserted into the data table dialog box. If I click on OK, look what happens. It automatically fills in the rest of the values. So if I just deselect this for a minute. So as you can see, this is the monthly payments at 5%, and as we go up and up and up, obviously it increases, so at 9%, you're looking at this here.